Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your friendship with a giant on Grow a Garden. So the giant's right here, of course, and select the what are you selling. There's going to be like a friendship tab here. So you're just going to give it food. I don't have any on me right now. Actually, do I have? Oh, I do have a corn dog. So I'm just going to select that. I'm going to put it out and I'm going to select feed here. As you can see, I have gained 11 points. If you want to gain more, obviously you'll need to feed the giant more food. So I suggest just cooking up a lot of foods back in your garden first before feeding the beanstalk, so that you are ready to feed the giant once you have fed the beanstalk. As you can see, I have like 12 minutes of cooking time, yet I need to do this again because it's going to decay in 10 minutes. So yeah, just make sure you've cooked everything first to level up your friendship with the giant, and you'll get cool rewards like the crate, not the crate, the other thing. I don't remember, the chest, sorry. You can also skip cooking, but I don't have the Robux for that. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!